오늘의 주인공 시드니. 그녀는 어린 시절 사고로 시력을 잃었었습니다.
I lost my sight when I was 5 years old. I doubt I'd even recognize myself anymore. I want to see the world like everyone else.
그녀는 더 발달한 다른 감각들을 이용해 성공한 연주가의 삶을 살고 있었고, 다음 날 기술이 발전하면서 과거에는 불가능했던 안구이식을 받을 예정입니다.
Actually, I've never been so scared in my entire life.
Office calling from County General. Your procedure is still on schedule for tomorrow.
12:10 a.m.
Feeling in my fingers. Me too.
Open your eyes. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
I can't.
How many fingers I have up, okay?
Those are fingers.
수술은 성공적인 듯했고, 당장은 흐릿하지만 볼 수 있다는 것에 기쁜 마음이 들게 되죠.
It's okay. Everybody can do this right away. It's okay.
하지만 그날 밤 같은 병실을 쓰던 할머니를 누군가 데려가는 걸 보게 되고,
I don't want to go. Mrs. Hellman, where are you taking her?
흐릿한 무언가를 잡아보려 해보지만
Where's Mrs. Hellman?
She passed away last night.
Just perfect. You're recovering quite nicely. Good.
Whose eyes were these?
I'm afraid I can't help you with that, Sid.
Be able to see more clearly.
Along, I'm going to refer you to a specialist, Paul Faulkner. He'll help you.
집으로 돌아온 시드니는 낯선 소리를 듣게 되고,
a.m.
다음날 이상 증세에 대해 박사에게 물어보지만 박사는 대수롭지 않게 생각합니다.
You damaged your corneas when you were 5?
My sister and I were playing with firecrackers.
There's nothing physically wrong with you. The operation went flawlessly, but you're probably
Why?
a million things you never even knew existed. A whole new level of confusion. As long as your eyes are open, there's just too many distractions. In the next few weeks, I'm gonna help you to see the world like it really is, okay? That's where I come in. We're in this together.
하지만 이상한 기운들은 계속해서 느껴졌고, 신경 쇠약으로 인해 평소 잘하던 연주도 어려워집니다.
I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me.
I'm sure you'll be. Your seats, I'll take it. 42?
Just gonna let you go. You think you're not gonna do something. Don't go. There was a woman.
What woman?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
너무나 심해지는 증상으로 인해 시드니는 박사를 다시 찾아가서 검사까지 받아보지만 그는 같은 말을 반복할 뿐이었죠.
But the way that we see things is affected by what we know, and there's a lot around you that you can't make.
I'm making this up.
You think you're not going to be able to push through this.
이제는 점점 더 구체적으로 무언가가 보이기 시작하는 시드니. 갑자기 그녀의 눈앞에 화재 현장이 펼쳐졌고 사람들의 비명과 고통이 오스라니 그녀에게도 전해지게 됩니다. 밖으로 도망 나온 시드니는 거리의 여인과 부딪히게 되는데 그녀는 이미 죽은 사람이었고 죽은 자들이 보이는 자신에게 놀라 한 식당에 들어와 박사에게 도움을 청하는데
You've reached the cell phone of Dr. Paul Faulkner. Leave a message after.
It's Sydney. At a Chinese restaurant on the corner of... Something's happening to me. I need you to come. Please.
깨어난 시드니는 이곳이 5주 전에 이미 불타버린 곳이었단 말을 듣게 됩니다.
I'm seeing things I shouldn't see. This surgery was supposed to make me normal.
I see.
What, dead people? You're seeing it's not real!
You don't believe me.
I want to help you.
You, if you don't believe me. It's not real. No, it's not real. It's not real. It's not real.
어떠한 도움도 받지 못하고 쉴 새 없이 무언가의 괴롭힘을 당하던 시드니는 멘탈이 완전히 붕괴되어 버렸고 모든 불을 끈 채 자신의 눈을 가리며 예전으로 돌아가려 합니다.
Unless you pick up, Sydney.
Sydney? Oh, you in there?
Just drop out, run back to your room and turn off the lights.
상황의 심각성을 확인한 박사는 시드니를 병원으로 다시 데려왔고
So what now?
We're gonna figure this out.
시드니는 병원 동기에게 받은 편지를 읽다 자신의 모습이 자신의 생각과 달랐음을 깨닫게 됩니다.
Who is she?
It's you, Sydney.
That's not me.
What are you doing? You're scaring me.
What do you see?
Theory that all living tissues have big capacity.
시드니는 상황을 해결하기 위해선 기증자를 찾아야만 한다 말하지만
Find out who the donor was.
That is confidential information. I could lose my license.
거울의 해결법을 묻는 시드니에게 그것은 끔찍한 화재 사고를 다시 보여주게 됩니다.
But how can I if you won't even tell me?
Sydney, what the hell is going on?
Everything that happened to her is happening to me. And what she wants, it's gonna keep happening.
고민하던 박사는 시드니를 도와주기로 하며 기증자의 가족이 있는 멕시코로 함께 향했고
Thank you.
Hola.
One from the Martinez family here that we can speak to?
Please don't be long. She's not well.
We would like to talk to you about your daughter.
What business is this of yours?
기증자 안나의 어머니는 시드니를 보자 그녀를 한눈에 알아보게 되고
You have her eyes.
Fire in the factory where I worked. If they had listened to Anna, they would have been saved.
Did Anna ever see things she couldn't explain?
Do you see things?
안나가 죽은 자들을 보게 되며 마을에서 마녀 취급을 당하며 괴롭힘을 당했음을 말해줍니다.
This is a small town, many superstitions.
Call an ambulance.
하지만 그때 저승사자가 다시 보이게 되고 안나의 어머니는 심장마비로 갑작스레 쓰러지게 됩니다. 그녀를 병원으로 보내고 안나의 방으로 돌아온 시드니는 과거의 사건을 보게 되고
I'm here. What do you want me to see?
과거 저승사자를 보며 큰 화재를 예고한 안나였지만 모든 사람들이 그녀를 마녀 취급하며 무시했다는 걸 알게 됩니다. 다시 깨어나는 시드니는 집 지하 공간에서 영원히 고통받는 굴레의 안나를 발견하게 되고
Anna. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I don't know what to do here.
What do you want from me? I see what you saw. I know what you went through. How's Mrs. Martinez?
She didn't make it.
다시 돌아가는 길에 차량 추격이 일어나 교통체증이 일게 되는데
Chase down on the American side has the whole border shut down.
What's going on?
Chase on the other side of the border. We're gonna be here all night.
시드니는 죽음의 기운들을 보게 되며 버스를 향했고 이 모든 게 안나가 사고를 막기 위한 것들임을 알게 됩니다.
Oh my god.
Don't you understand? This is what she wanted me to see. She let me see that this was going to happen so I wouldn't end up like her. You have to believe me. We need to get off this bus.
폭탄 테러라는 거짓말로 사람들을 대피시켰고 시드니는 차에 갇힌 아이를 보호하려다 그만 다시 시력을 잃게 됩니다.
Some say seeing is believing. Now, I don't need eyes to see what truly matters.
뉴욕의 젊은 백만장자인 클레이와 그의 여친 샘.
What about?
No.
Thank you.
하지만 둘은 클레이의 어머니 때문에 비밀 연애를 하고 있었고
Deserve my happily ever after too.
I know you do, and I'm gonna tell her.
클레이는 샘과 결혼까지 생각하고 있었지만 반대할 게 뻔한 어머니를 걱정하며 자신의 주치의이자 친구인 잭에게 고민을 말했고 잭은 심장이 좋지 못해 수술을 앞두고 있는 샘에게 할 일을 미루지 말라 조언합니다.
She will die right here on this table. And if the transplant is successful, 50% chance that you'll be dead.
Tough love today, huh?
I need you to be ready. You get your house in order just in case. You might not have much of it left. Remember what I said, Clay.
갑작스런 엄마의 방문에 클레이는 샘을 모르는 척했고
What's wrong?
I didn't know she was gonna be here, alright?
This is getting boring, Clay. I feel sick.
You remember Dr. Meyer, don't you?
My surgeon, I've already...
엄마는 클레이에게 업계 최고 의사인 네이어 박사를 소개해주게 됩니다.
After their announcement of the Durasonic acquisition, and with that merger still in question,
Thought you might like a little drink.
클레이가 이토록 망설이는 이유는 샘이 어머니의 비서였기 때문이었고
Sorry to interrupt, Mrs. Beresford. I know it's late, but I want to get this out tonight. Too good to me, Sam. Should be heading home.
Sam! What is wrong with you?
You come under the umbrella.
실망하고 떠나려는 샘을 클레이가 붙잡게
You
됩니다.
come inside so we can get warm.
But she'll see.
I should have done this a long time ago.
Come on.
And wait till you're a little older.
How old were you when you got married?
Yeah, you got your whole life ahead of you.
예상대로 엄마는 반대했지만 샘은 내친 김에 결혼까지 결심하게
I'm gonna
됩니다.
go away and leave you two alone.
Marry me.
What?
I don't wait anymore. We've waited long enough.
Really? Samantha Jane Lockwood.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To have
and to hold.
For better, for worse, in sickness and in health.
Death do us part.
그렇게 급하게 결혼식까지 갖게 되며 영원한 사랑을 약속한 그들에게 박사에게 재기 사고를 많이 겪은 의사란 걸 들은 엄마는 클레이를 적극적으로 말리지만
You think this is funny? Your excuses for a minute ago.
소용없었고
Risking your life on some second rate.
I wasn't asking for your permission.
클레이는 샘과의 새로운 시작을 꿈꾸며 수술실로 향하게 됩니다.
I'm scared shitless.
As soon as you get out, I'll be right here.
I think my new heart will love you as much as my old one.
Okay, lovebirds, we gotta go.
I'll see you soon. Wife.
수술이 시작하기 전 갑작스레 마취의가 변경되게 되고
I thought Fitzpatrick was going to be here.
Yes, me too, but players may have changed, but the game is still the same.
Everything all right?
Just fine, Clay.
Okay, just gonna give you a little oxygen here. Hang on tight.
마취약이 클레이에게 투여되는데
Happy trails, my friend.
Just let yourself go.
Making love to me all morning.
I'm ready. Let's do it. That's freezing. What is that? That stinks. What does it take for this stuff to work anyway?
How does he know, Larry?
Sleeping like a baby.
어째서인지 클레이의 의식은 꺼지지 않았고
Yeah, what the hell's kitchen?
I can still hear you. Wait. Something's wrong. Give me a listen to me. I can
각성
feel
상태에
it.
빠진 채 칼날의 고통을 그대로 느끼게 됩니다.
Jesus, this isn't fucking happening. No. Jack! Please! Oh, God!
Hard time getting through.
Just hold on. Everything's gonna be okay. Fuck out of this fucking room. Think about something else. Say anything. Help me! Just focus on her.
클레이는 어떻게든 샘을 떠올리며 고통을 잊어보려 하지만
That's right. That's it.
의사는 어설픈 실력으로 갈비뼈까지 부러뜨리고 맙니다.
Okay, it's fine. Just control it like before. You can do this.
There goes a rib.
All right, Clay.
You're all right. Just relax. The worst is over.
Haven't I seen you around?
엄마는 클레이의 결혼 사실을 알게 되고
You have 2 rings on your finger.
What was that?
When?
Just before you got the call.
Oh, that's good, Mrs. Shin. Heart came early.
We're halfway home, Sam. They're gonna put it in soon.
Not that far away from each other after all.
God, I miss you.
Stay with me.
We're almost there, Sam.
Oh, shit. Vadalol, Nalapro.
엄마는 클레이를 챙기며 의젓하게 말하는 샘을 다시 보게 됩니다.
I honestly did.
What do you want from me, Sam?
I want you to tell him that he's as good as his father. And I want you to tell me that it's okay to love him back. A parent, he can't lose another. I'm not a bad person.
Just stop talking. Just make sure he takes his meds and...
What?
Why don't you take you a little break, Larry? Soda machine in the waiting room.
Well, thanks, guys. Sure. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Larry.
I don't know if I can do this. Fitzpatrick is the problem. He screwed us. I think they found out that we've been pushing Clay down the dome.
He's probably in there right now in the bar, topping himself up.
Hey, would you just be quiet?
Started this thing, and I swear to God, I will end this. I am not going to jail.
Wait. What?
간신히 버티고 있던 클레이는 이들이 자신을 죽일 거라는 사실을 알게 되고
Kill this guy, and then we're gonna go get a fucking martini. I want to be on bypass before Larry gets back.
You don't get no arguments there.
You gotta stand up.
The only way anyone figures anything out.
You can do it. Open your eyes.
간신히 자리에서 일어나 보지만 정신만 깨어 있었던 클레이.
Not kidding with you.
Hey, will you help me with these stitches, please?
All right, now think.
How many bullshit malpractice lawsuits?
Trying to save people's lives. It's a disgrace.
I'm sorry. They called me out of nowhere.
I'm gonna try and find out what's going on. Yeah. Okay. I was wondering if you knew the status on the heart transplant patient.
He's doing just fine. Everything's going according to plan. Really. I just came from there.
뭔가 수상함을 느낀 샘은 수술실로 향하게 되는데
How's it going? Is everything okay?
Yeah.
I just had an interesting chat with some guy named Larry.
Nothing wrong. Everything is under control.
Bullshit. Where the fuck is Fitzpatrick?
Hang out.
He's backing out?
사실은 샘도 그들과 한패였고
You okay? Guys, finish putting in the bypass.
Everything is working, Jack.
오히려 망설여하는 잭을 다독여주기까지 합니다.
Christ, they know. How the hell do they all know?
Nobody knows I worked your team.
What? Can't just kill him, Sam.
This is our only way out. He has to die.
이 모든 것은 클레이의 재산을 노린 그들의 범죄 계획이었던 것.
He's a transplant patient, Jack. They all die eventually.
Look at me.
I'm so sorry.
Risking your life on some second-rate doctor.
Watch your fingers. At that side, too.
Where's the syringe? Give it to me.
샘은 마음이 약해져 클레이를 살리려는 잭에게 약물 주사기를 직접 건넸고 클레이는 비참한 눈물을 흘리게 됩니다.
Is he okay? They wouldn't say. Been so long.
I know.
I started.
I know.
Guys, survive without me? You guys are flying. Just like
Something's wrong. Listen to me. No, you don't understand. Isn't it just my son?
He's not gonna die. Got too much to live for.
All right, pressure down. Okay, release the clamp. Wait a minute. You getting anything?
Nothing.
결국 심장은 멈추게 되면서 의사들은 서로를 위로하며 연기를 시작했고
You did everything you could do. It's a bad heart.
엄마는 끔찍한 소식을 전해 듣게 됩니다.
The organ failed, and I'm so sorry.
You failed.
We did everything that we could.
It shouldn't have been you. It should never have been.
I'm sorry, Sam.
I'm afraid we're gonna need your permission to take him off bypass.
What? He's alive?
Blood's being pumped by a machine. He has no heart.
Then get him another heart.
We don't have one.
Lilith, could you leave me alone for a minute?
Stop.
혼자가 된 의식 속으로 클레이를 찾아온 엄마.
Hey, what are you doing?
그때 레이어 박사가 나타나 그녀의 심장으로 다시 수술을 시작합니다.
Too late.
I think we solved that problem.
I have a strong heart, Clay.
Let's go. Let's prep for transplant. You can go. We've been prepped. Use Jack. Formaldehyde. No, wait.
Jack, come on, let's go.
What the hell happened to you?
I told you not to trust them.
You're telling me that you knew?
소식을 들은 이후 이 모든 게 그들의 계획임을 깨달았던 엄마는
The male Clay.
시간이 없어 아들을 살리기 위해 극단적인 선택을 하게 된 것이었죠.
Seen you around?
Only took me a second to put it together. She'd been to that hospital before.
Why didn't you just say something?
You were dying. You needed a heart. You had no choice.
Doctor, how does he look?
Terrible. He's been on bypass too long. I'm out here to do an autopsy.
My car's downstairs. Over here.
경찰이 출동해 수술한 의사들을 하나씩 체포했고
Come on.
What did I tell you? I told you I was gonna look after you, didn't I?
Wet his hands. We're almost there. We got rhythm.
샘은 모든 것을 잭에게 돌린 채 발을 빼려 하는데
I'm just the grieving widow, remember?
He did.
No.
There's your fingerprints all on the syringe.
Jack, come on. Goddamn you, open the door! door!
한편 멈춰버렸던 클레이의 심장은
Did it fib?
Shit. I'm gonna stay here with you. There's no one left for me out there.
200.
Clear? Clayton, come on.
Charge. Lost him.
No, again. Clear?
But I am proud of what you've become. At times the man he was. You always were. It's time for you to live.
박사의 노력과 엄마의 희생으로 다시 뛰게 됐고
Welcome back, Clayton.
At 6:32 this morning, Clayton Beresford Jr. died on my operating table. 2.5 hours later, life was saved. There are no excuses for what we did.
눈을 뜨는 클레이의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다.
He is awake.
영화 잘 보셨나요? 영화 어웨이크는 2007년에 개봉한 미국 스릴러 영화입니다. 영화는 마취중 각성이란 소재에 주인공의 재산을 노린 범죄를 다룬 작품이었는데요. 국내에서도 리턴이란 영화로 비슷한 소재의 영화가 개봉한 적도 있었습니다. 두 남녀 주인공의 훌륭한 비주얼과 좋았던 연기, 그리고 어머니의 위대한 사랑을 느낄 수 있는 부분들이 좋았는데요. 다만 풀영상에서는 수술 장면들이 모자이크 없이 많이 나오기 때문에 이런 부분에 대한 부담감이 없으신 분들에게만 풀영상 시청을 추천드립니다. 오늘도 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사의 말씀드리고요. 구독과 좋아요는 채널 유지에 큰 도움이 되니 꼭 부탁드릴게요. 이상 쿠쿠무비였습니다.